Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Cherish with Cherish Your Beauty LLC, and I am here to show you what is in our makeup kit. So we have our makeup remover wipes, and then we have our brush set of 8. It's going to be your travel brushes, great for our beginner MUAs, and of course we're going to have our mascara, and I'm not saying these in no particular order. And here is our eyeshadow palette, our nude eyeshadow palette for us natural glam girlies. And then we're going to have our eyeshadow palette from Cherish Your Beauty. This is our pink eyeshadow palette. Then, of course, we got to add the lashes. New luxury lash packaging from Cherish Your Beauty. And then here we have a moisturizing mask, because skincare is important and a part of the makeup application. And then we have our skin moisturizer as well added to the kit. And then here we have our contour and highlight kit. It's going to be for all skin colors and types as well. And then of course we got to add the Cherish Your Beauty lipstick, a nude color or a color of your choice. And then we have our eyeliner. We got to add that to the kit. And then here is a lip gel. And then we also are going to have our eye gel. This is a part of the prepping process as well, as far as our makeup application. And then we have our setting spray, of course. We got to set that makeup. And then our primer. And like I said, this is not in no particular order. I'm just grabbing everything. And here I am showing you the setting spray again. And then we have a mirror that we added to the kit. And then here is our eyebrow brush and pencil, great for the eyebrow application. And then we have our concealers. These are 2 different colors of concealers because it can tackle all different skin types and colors. And then of course we're gonna have our hand sanitizer. We have that be clean and safe. And then we have our eyelash glue added to the collection, and then a clear gloss. Everybody has to have a clear gloss. And then we have another set of eyelashes. This is more of a natural eyelash. And then I have just a bag of disposable items that we have added to the kit, a cosmetic bag so you can put your items in, of course. And then this is a lipstick pen. I thought they were so cute. Those are so you can take your notes whenever you are taking the makeup class. Tweezers. We have a set of tweezers in our kit. And that is just my card. And then I'm going to show you the bag full of the items that we had.